Here today you can see we're going to be checking out our multi-function foam cannon. It's going to be made from sturdy ABS plastic and premium brass. The kit is going to come with everything you need to successfully clean your car. Fill some soap into the bottle with warm water to get thick foam. Connect a 1/4 inch quick connection plug to a pressure washer gun or a wand. Adjust the knob on the top to desired foam level, and then foam blaster will disperse a thick foam. The spray range can be easily adjusted from 0 to 90 degrees by simply rotating the nozzle screw, and the thick snowflake foam greatly helps remove dirt and even the smallest cracks and crevices in your car. The 1/4 inch quick connector fits most brands of pressure washer, guns, and wands on the market. Adjust the knob to reach the desired foam level. A large number of thick foam will be produced in wide or narrow spray. This is going to be extremely convenient and fast. This is going to be ideal for motorcycle and car washing, even roofs, driveways, siding, floors, even windows.